Hey guys, Portia here, and today I am trying out a new sublimation ink. So I've actually been using the same ink for quite some time, but of course, change can be good, right? So a few weeks ago, HTV RONT reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to try their sublimation inks, and I said sure, why not? So I have a converted ecotank, and it is about time to put some new ink in there. So what we're going to do today is just go ahead and print out on some A-sub paper. I am going to sublimate on probably a little keychain, and we are going to check out our results, and I'll share my thoughts with you. So let's go ahead and first see what comes in the box. Okay, so let's see what we have. So it looks like we got our inks in here and everything we need to transfer the ink to our tank. All right, let's get this out the way. So we got our instruction manual in here, some gloves, and then we have some syringes. And that's going to help us transfer the ink to the tank. Now I do know if you have an eco tank, they also have a model that literally sits right on top of the nozzle per color, and then it'll just guzzle down right on in. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get my tanks filled up. I'm gonna find some type of image to print out, and again, what I am looking for is pretty much vibrancy. How well does that color translate from the printer to our substrate? And then okay guys, so I just finished printing out my image. I was able to fill up the tank, which was pretty easy. It's something I've done before, so no stranger to it at all. So I did go ahead and make these images in Canva. So it's just a color splash, some font, well, some words, and then I put a black background there, and we are going to just go ahead and sublimate on this keychain. So this keychain takes about 400 degrees for 55 seconds, and I'm going to do both sides, and then when we come back, I'll share my thoughts on how the transfer went. Okay guys, here we have it. I am all done. I did go ahead and do another one because I want to talk about the different color stories we got going on here. So this is the one that I originally showed you all, the design that I've made in Canva first. So I really like that the black is popping. We have a little fire, so to speak, going on up here, moving into our pinks, moving into a little bit of baby blue. I don't know how well that's translating, but my point is the color is really popping. And over here, I just wanted to go for a little bit of a different mood, a different color story. And once again, I chose a lot of different colors so that I could see how well they came out, and the vibrancy is really there. So to answer the first question that I laid out is, does this product do what it says? And I absolutely have to say yes, because the colors are crisp, they are vibrant, and the details really came through. So I used a font that was kind of wispy, and you could see the small lettering really coming through nice and sharp and clean. So I have no complaints about that whatsoever. All right, let's go ahead and talk about ease of use. So you just take the syringe, you fill it up with ink, and then you transfer that into the tank. No issues at all. But I will say, if you are a beginner, the instructions do leave a little bit something to be desired. Instruction here, it doesn't really say step by step, so you may have to go to the website to figure out how to fill the tank up, or even YouTube to see what other people have done. So it's the instruction booklet is just not a one-stop shop, but I'm no stranger to filling up the tank and all that other stuff, so I found it very easy. But a beginner with these particular instructions may be a little frustrated, just a little bit. And then the last thing I want to talk about is, would I use this product again? And I have to say yes. In this case, change was good. I was a little bit nervous because sometimes when you get a product and you've been using it from the beginning, you're like, this is the one I like. Well, trying something different can work out at times. And what I was looking for is sharp, bright color. And that is what I got. So I have no complaints when it comes to that. So yeah guys, this is all I have for you today. I just wanted to share with you my thoughts on the HTV Sublimation Ink. And if you got any questions, concerns, emotional outbursts, let me know. If you like this video, could you please go ahead and give it a thumbs up? But guys, as usual, until next time, peace.